Patient Safety Introduction. If you can't remember the names of all the medications you take, you can throw everything into a bag and bring it with you to your doctor. Select true or false. Correct. Anything you tell your doctor is private. Select true or false. Correct. Your private medical information is protected and not shared with people outside your healthcare team. Make sure to tell your doctors if it is okay to discuss your health information with your advocate. It is not polite to remind your nurse and doctor to wash their hands before working with you. Select true or false. Correct. You should not be afraid to remind nurses and doctors to wash their hands. They want what is best for you. Smokers have a higher chance of lung infections while in the hospital. Select true or false. Correct. A wet wound dressing is less likely to get infected than a dry one. Select true or false. Correct. A wet wound dressing is more likely to get infected. You should not ask for more pain medication after surgery. The doctor will know the level of pain you have and will give you enough pain medication. Select true or false. Correct. You should ask for more pain medication when you feel pain. Your healthcare providers may not be able to judge the amount of pain you are in. The first line of defense in ensuring you receive the right medical information and follow your healthcare instructions is choose one of the following options. 1. The doctor. 2. The pharmacist. 3. The patient advocate. 4. You. Correct. Only you can make sure that you receive, understand, and complete the instructions you receive from your healthcare team. Over-the-counter medications are not likely to interfere with other prescription medications. Select true or false. Correct. If you are now taking or have taken any non-prescription medicines or dietary supplements in the recent past, tell your doctor. This includes pain relievers, laxatives, and antacids or dietary supplements. If you miss a medication pill, you can double up and take 2 pills to catch up. Select true or false. Correct. It is important to take your medication as prescribed by your doctor. However, if you forget to take the medication, do not increase the dosage without first asking your doctor or pharmacist. Thank you for using Explain.